Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kuni Salma Wakhidah, and I'm from UA1, and my ID number 2019-6004. Okay, here I will explain about the input hypothesis. There are 4 parts of the hypothesis. Number 1. The input hypothesis relates to acquisition, not learning. And then number 2, we acquire by understanding the content structure it beyond our current level of competence, E+1. This is done with the help of context or extra linguistic information. A third part of the input hypothesis says that input must contain E+1 to be useful for language acquisition, but it need not contain only E+1. There is a structure of the day, and usually both teacher and student feel that the aim of the lesson is to teach or practice a specific grammatical item or structure. Once this structure is mastered, the syllabus process to the next one. This part of the input hypothesis implies that such a deliberate attempt to provide E+1 is not necessary. As we shall see later, there are reasons to suspect that it may even be harmful. Thus, part 3 of the input hypothesis is when communication is successful, when the input is understood and there is enough of it, E+1 will be provided automatically. The final part of the input hypothesis states that speaking fluency cannot be taught directly, rather it emerges over time on its own. The best way, and perhaps the only way, to teach speaking, according to this view, is simply to provide comprehensible input. Accuracy develops over time as the acquirer hears and understands more input. Part 4 of the input hypothesis is thus production ability emerges. It is not taught directly. Okay, that's all I can say. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.